Good morning, Level 1. This is Miss Ashma from Fatkin House Grammar School, Campus 9, Level 1. I hope you all are good, Level 1. Level 1, in today's English language unit, we are going to discuss difference between this and that and this and these. Okay, so take out your English language exercise books, Level 1. Open a blank new page in your English language exercise book and write today's date. Write down the top line heading, difference between that and this. Okay, where we use this, Level 1, this is used when an object is near you. Near means when the object is very near. नियर मीन्स कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो हमारे बहुत करीब मौजूद हो. ओके, दिस इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ नियर यू. जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे बहुत करीब रखा हुआ हो, हम उसके लिए दिस यूज़ करेंगे. एंड दैट इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ नॉट नियर. That is used when an object is not near. जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, चाहे वो हमारा टैडी बियर हो, हमारा स्पून हो, या कोई भी चीज़ हो, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई भी नाउन हो, वो हमारे करीब ना हो, तो वी यूज़ फॉर दैट ऑब्जेक्ट दैट. ओके, Level 1. For example, there is example for you. This is my book, because book is near to me, so I'm using this for book. This is my book. Second example is this is a ball. Okay, now this example of that is a truck, because truck is far from me, so I'm using that for truck. That is a truck. That is a mountain. Okay, Level 1. This is the difference between this and that. This is used when the object is near with us, and that is used when the object is far from us. Far means dur, near means kareeb. Okay, Level 1. I hope you understand that. Please copy down this difference in your English language exercise book, Level 1. After this, what you have to do on the next page, again there is a difference between this or these. Okay, Level 1. So this is also used for singular noun, and these is used for plural nouns. Okay, nouns, Level 1. Noun, you know, a noun is the noun. We can say noun to anything, place, name of a person, or any particular thing. ठीक है. So this is used for singular noun for one object. When we are talking about one object, one book, one pencil, one house, one car, one book. Okay, so when we are talking about one object, we use this, and when we are talking about more than one object, so we can use these. Okay, for example, this is a flower, because it is one. Okay, and in these example there are two flowers, so we are going to write these are flowers, because it's more than one, so we are going to write a sentence, these are flowers. Okay, Level 1. So you have to write these two differences in your English language exercise book, Level 1. Okay, now Level 1, we are on again this or that topic. Open your English language learners book and open page number 128 of your English language learners book. Okay, now Level 1, here is the same topic for us, this or that, as we already know the difference between this or that. So listen to the children. They are mending some things. Point to the things that they say. Mending means, Level 1, they are putting things in their sequence, in their correct positions. Okay, so there is a girl and there is a boy, and there are a lot of things. Some things are on the floor, on the surface, and some objects are on the table. Now these boy and girl are talking to each other. the girl is saying this ball is round. Actually they want us to learn the difference between this and that. As we already know, level 1, this is used when the object is near, okay, and that is used when the object is far away. Okay, so the girl is saying this ball is round because girl is holding a ball in her hand, so she is saying this ball is round, and the boy is saying that ball is flat. Okay, why the boy is using that and the girl is using this? Because the ball is near to the girl and the ball is far from the boy. Okay, girl is holding the ball in her hand, so ball is near to the girl, so she is using this, and the ball is far from the boy, so the boy is using that for the ball. Now you understand the difference, level 1. Now read the conversation. Can you fill in the missing words? Listen again to check. Now what are the blanks, level 1? My friend and I like fixing things. This ball is round. Dash bucket is clean. So level 1, this is the dialogues of a girl. The bucket is not near to the girl. Okay, the bucket is far from the girl. So which we use this or that for the bucket? We use that for the bucket. Okay, because the bucket is far from the girl, so I'm going to write here that. Then this chair has dash legs. This chair has 1 2 3 4. This chair has 4 legs. Okay, level 1. This frog is dash. This frog is small. Okay, dash teddy bear has eyes. Okay, level 1, the teddy bear is far from the girl, so this teddy bear is far from the girl and this teddy bear is near from the girl, so we are going to write this. Okay, this teddy bear has eyes. Okay, now the boys' dialogues. We are the fix it kids. That ball is dash. Now the that ball is flat. The boy is talking about the ball that is on the table, so we are going to write here flat. Alright, that bucket is dash. That bucket, the boy is pointing out the bucket. Why they are using that, level 1? Because the bucket is far from the boy and the bucket is empty, so we are going to write here empty. Alright, then our blank is dash chair has 3 legs. The chair is far from the boy, so we are going to write here that, because it's not near to the boy. That frog is, he is talking about that frog that is on the table, so we are going to write that frog is white. Alright, dash teddy bear doesn't have eyes. Okay, but the boy is talking about that teddy bear. Teddy bear is not near to the boy, so we are going to write here that. Okay, level 1. Now level 1, similarly on the next page, page number 129, 129, write today's date on the top of the page, level 1. Now level 1, there is a difference between this and these. We already know the difference. Now you need 12 counters, you need 2 players. How to play? It's a game, level 1. When we are together in a class, inshallah we will play this game. Now level 1, look into this activity. There as you know, this is used when we are talking about one object, and these is used when we are talking about more than one object. So here level 1, what you have to do, you have to put this or these. Okay, for example, in picture number 1 there is one clock, so there is one object, we can use this for that. Okay, and there are so many colors, more than one color, so we can use what we use for colors, we use these. Okay, again there is a chair, one object, we can use this. Again there is a flower bouquet and it is one, we can use this. Okay, in picture number 5 level 1 there are 2 rabbits, more than one object. What we can use these. Again one object, we use this for one object, we use these for more than one object. Again we can use this. In picture number 9 there is a train, one object, we use this. There are more than one object, a lot of books, we are going to write these. Again there is one object, so we can use this. Now there are more than one object, we can use these. I hope level 1 it's a very easy and interesting topic. You understand that with the help of diagrams and examples. I hope you understand that level 1. Thank you for watching my video. Be safe level 1. Please complete your work.